Hey folks, Adam here from 911 Studios, and today we have this. It's a fantastic Aqua recliner. It says relax in luxury. Now first off, you can just sprawl out and lay on it like this and get maximum sun exposure. But it transforms from there. Let me show you. Back up, table out, and you can kick back, be partially in the water. So this thing is absolutely amazing. Now on top of that, it does have 3 drink holders. You and your friends can enjoy, kick back, there's your drink. And if your friends on the other side of the pool need a little coaster, little drink holder, fine. Or you can actually tie it to the tanner on your own. It just clips right in and you're good to go. Now this thing is absolutely amazing, super comfortable, and a great way to lounge and relax in style. So what else can I tell you about it? It's 56 inches, 142 centimeters. It supports up to 250 pounds. Myself weighing well over 220 has no problem in this bad boy as well. So it's absolutely amazing. Like I said, it has the tanner position. It does have release valves where you can quickly fill or release it on the back right here. And this kind of mesh netting here kind of dries quickly and easily, and it's very, very comfortable. So you're going to want to pick one up today. It's available on Amazon with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and the A to Z guarantee. Now, let me show you the box here. We got it on the side of the spa. You can see it comes to us from Aqua. It's absolutely amazing. They have great products, and this vinyl is meant to last. Another cool aspect of this, they got the spa cover behind us. If I want, I can put this down and store it underneath the spa cover. So you don't need to find storage and inflate this every time. You just keep it in the spa year round and you're good to go. So go ahead and order today. Oh, and did I mention it also works in the lake? So if you've got a beautiful lake like this, go ahead, put it in the lake. You're gonna love it. Order today, you absolutely will not be disappointed. This comes to us from Aqua, a great company, great reputation. Look at the ratings. Hundreds, if not thousands, of 5-star reviews, and everybody seems to love it. So order yours today, get the free, accessible, additional caddy, everything with it. It's absolutely fantastic. I love mine. The wife loves laying out. You get full sun or partial sun. Get it today, you won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.